Dunia balap MotoGP kembali berduka. Juara dunia MotoGP 2006 Nicky Hayden meninggal dunia pada Senin usai kritis selama beberapa hari di rumah sakit Maurizio Bufalini, Cesena, Italia. Hayden sebelumnya terlibat kecelakaan usai ditabrak sebuah mobil ketika berkendara sepeda dekat sirkuit Misano, Italia pada Rabu pekan lalu. Hayden pun sempat dilarikan ke rumah sakit kecil di wilayah Rumini, Italia, sebelum dirujuk ke rumah sakit Maurizio Bufalini. Kabar kritisnya Nicky Hayden usai terlibat kecelakaan mengundang simpati sejumlah pebalap MotoGP. Rival terberat Nicky dahulu, Valentino Rossi, sempat menunjukkan simpatinya sebelum race GP Lemang pada Minggu.
Yes, so very bad news from yesterday. Sincerely, the first hours difficult to realize, no? But I spoke straight away with a doctor, my friend, that he said to me that the situation was from the first moment very difficult for Nicky. And now with a bit more time, you start to understand. It's a great shame because Nicky was a great rider for sure, great talent, world champion, and always at the top, but especially a very good guy, coming from a good family of racers, from his father to his two brothers. Always good guy, always smiling, so for sure is very bad. I think that the situation is very difficult, but everybody, we hope for the best.
Nicky Hayden merupakan salah satu pebalap asal Amerika Serikat yang memiliki karir gemilang di MotoGP. Ia menunjukkannya pada 2006 usai merengkuh juara dunia untuk kali pertama.